Okay, so the first thing you're going to do to set up a blog is you're going to type in your search bar wordpress.com. You can see on my computer it's coming up already. So it's going to come up here. Now the first thing is it's going to ask me to log in, but we're actually going to go down and choose register. Here you're going to set up an email. Here you've got to put in your normal email address. Use the one that you use also for Manage back at the school. It will come up, you see here, with an automatic username. Unfortunately, apparently my username is not available. So you can see down here, here's a username. I get a little green tick. My password, I'm going to put in here. Wait, let's see what's a good choice. You could always use the same password you have at school. And then you can see here, it comes up with an automatic blog address. Now, here it'll ask you whether you want to pay. We don't. No thanks, I'll use the free address. And down here, scroll down. We want to choose the free one for you. So now we go create blog. So now that means that your blog is created. You have an account. If you already have a WordPress account, we can talk about this in class, but this is if you haven't got one. You can see it's come up with an automatic blog title, a tagline, which is, I can put in here, this is an experiment for media art. Okay, I've chosen my language, next step. Now you can choose some themes. Some of them cost, but we're going to choose ones that are free. Okay, so I'm just going to choose this one for us today. You can customize some things, but right now we'll just get started because you can always go back. I would ask that you don't connect with Twitter or Facebook because this is a class blog and it's not something that we want other people to be necessarily seeing because it's only for our classwork. Okay, so now it's going to ask you to verify your email address and it's going to send you a confirmation email, so you can then go into your email and do that. Now here you can see automatically I can set up my first post. So I'm going to write Media Art Reflection. This is about me learning how to create blogs. Okay, so now you can see I can scroll down, I save, and then that is my first post. It saved me a draft. I can preview it and see what it's going to look like, and that's how we do it. So that's what I want you to do. I want you to set up your blog, and then we're going to talk about what sort of things you need to post on it for this class. We're going to go into the settings after this, and we're going to change it to a private blog, but we can work that out later. One thing I want to suggest for your name is that we will put your school username in rather than your full name. Okay, at this stage we can change that later and what it looks like later. Okay, so that's how you're going to set up your blog that we're going to use in Media Art.